Hello, there's the Lego video. There's the worker. He's in there. He just took care of the place. I took it out and I fixed it. Using the bucket. It's in there. It might be filled apart. That's okay. See, here's the guy in there. I can't really see. Okay. Here's the train tracks. Got 118 seconds left. I'll show you this guy in the tower, what he looks like. He looks like this. He got some mustache. That's the head that's supposed to go in the digger. That's what I call it. This guy must have fell. What pet store brother was telling me if I could hear him. It was pet store.
Hamster cage. Yeah, fishstore.com.
I was like, what, butt store? I thought it was I don't know.
The only things they sell here is food, dog, some hamsters, fish.
Well,
sometimes they change the hamsters to ferrets and stuff like that.
got this little crane thing. Jigger. And that's it. That's the digger part. I didn't see that. Hamster cage.
Sometimes they change it to ferrets. They change it.
Where's the hamster?
This, if you look on the other side, it looks like a fish tank with two lines. This is a little hamster cage in a box. In the back they have.
And we have to go. Bye.